Hello students, welcome to Infotech Pathshala. In this video you will learn decimal to octal conversion and octal to decimal conversion. So let's start. So to convert a decimal number into octal, we have to divide the decimal number by 8 till we get the quotient less than 8. So this is the way to represent a decimal number. We have to subscript the base as 10 is given over here, and for octal number 8 you have to write. Now the number is 234, so this 234 will be written over here, 234, and this number will be divided by 8. We will write quotient over here and remainder over here. So 8 2s are 16 and the remainder is 7, so it will become 74. So 8 9s are 72 and the remainder is 2. Now again this 29 will be divided by 8. Now 8 3s are 24 and remainder you will get 5. This 3 cannot be further divided because it is less than 8, so it will be written over here. So this will be considered as MSD, that is most significant digit, and this is LSD, that is least significant digit. And this is most significant digit. So moving from bottom to top, we will get 352 as the octal representation of the given decimal number. The answer is 352. Now come to decimal to octal conversion with a float number. If the number is given in decimal form, so we will take its integer part first and then we will take its decimal part. So integer part will be converted in the same way which we have just learned. So this 786 will be divided by 8 till we get the quotient less than 8. So this would be 8 9s are 72. So 72 will be subtracted from 78. So we will get 66. We will get 6. So this will become 66. Now 8 8s are 64. The remainder would be 2. Now again this 98 will be divided by 8. So this will become 8 1s are 8 and 8 2s are 16 and the remainder is 2. Now again this 12 will be divided by 8. So it will become 8 1s are 8 and the remainder is 4. And now this 1 cannot be further divided by 8 because it is less than 8. So we will write 1 over here. And moving from bottom to top, we will get 1 4 2 2 as the octal representation of 786. Now come to its decimal part. Now decimal part is 0.15. So we will multiply this 0.15 by 8 and we will take its integer part as the octal equivalent of the given number. So this will be 5 8s are 40, carry 4 4 and 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 4 is 12, so which is equals to 1.20. So we will take its integer part, so 1 will be written over here and 0.20 will be multiplied by 8 again, so we will get 1.60. so we'll take its integer part again and we will multiply its decimal part, that is 0.60 will be multiplied by 8, so which is equals to 4.80. so we'll take its integer part, that is 4, and to convert a decimal number into octal we have to move from top to bottom, not from bottom to top. So this will be 0.114. So the octal representation of the given decimal number would be 1422.114. So this is the octal representation of the given decimal number. Now come to octal to decimal conversion. So before discussing this, I would like to explain place value chart for a decimal number. So here, as you can see on the screen, place value chart for 785 is given, where 5 is the unit position, that means on ones, and 8 is on tens position, and 7 is on 100 position. So this will be expanded in this way: 5 multiplied by 10 is to power 0. As we are using decimal number system, so base is given 10 over here, and 8 will be multiplied by 10 is to power 1, and 7 will be multiplied by 10 is to power 2, which can be written as 5 multiplied by 1, because any number raised to power 0 will be equal to 1. So this 5 will be multiplied by 1, so you will get 5. Now 8 will be multiplied by 10, you will get 80. Now 7 will be multiplied by 100, so you will get 700. So when you will add these three numbers, you will get 785. So this is the place value chart for decimal number system. As we are using octal number system, so to convert an octal number into decimal, we will multiply the octal number by 8 raised to power 0, 8 raised to power 1, and 8 raised to power 2, because we are using octal number system and its base is 8. So this 673 will be written over here, and this 3 will be multiplied by 8 raised to power 0, and this 7 will be multiplied by 8 raised to power 1. This 6 will be multiplied by 8 raised to power 2. Now understand this way: 3 multiplied by 8 raised to power 0, 7 multiplied by 8 raised to power 1, and this 6 will be multiplied by 8 raised to power 2, as 3 is the LSB and 6 is the MS, as 3 is the LSD and 6 is the MSD. So now come to, so this can be plus 7 multiplied by 8 plus 6 multiplied by 64, so which is equals to 6 4s are 24, 4 carry 2, 6 6 are 36, 36 and 2 is 38, plus 5 8s are 56, plus 3 1s are 3, so which is equals 443. So 443 is the decimal equivalent of given octal number 443. Okay, now come to octal to decimal conversion with a float number. So whenever float number is given, so we have just seen how we will convert an octal number into decimal. Multiply the integer number by 8 raised to power 0, 8 raised to power 1, and so on. And for decimal part, we have to multiply the numbers by 8 raised to power minus 1, 8 raised to power minus 2, and so on. So decimal number is given. So whenever we will move towards the right from the decimal part, we will multiply the number by 8 raised to power minus 1, 8 raised to power minus 2, 8 raised to power minus 3, and so on. It depends upon the place value. Now whenever we will move towards the left from the decimal number, we will multiply the number by 8 raised to power 0, 8 raised to power 1, 8 raised to power 2, 8 raised to power 3, and so on. So the number is 543.52. So this will be written as 5 multiplied by 8 raised to power minus 1 plus 2 multiplied by 8 raised to power minus 2. This 3 will be multiplied by 8 raised to power 0 plus 4 will be multiplied by 8 raised to power 1 plus 5 will be multiplied by 8 raised to power 2. So which will be written as 5 multiplied by 64 plus 4 multiplied by 8 plus 3 multiplied by 1, because any number raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So now this can be written as 5 multiplied by 1 upon 8 raised to power 1, and this can be written as 2 multiplied by 1 divided by 8 raised to power 2, because when we will move this 8 raised to power minus 2 to the denominator, its power sign will be changed, so that is plus 2. Okay, now come to the multiplication part. So 5 4s are 20, carry 0, 5 6 are 30, and 30 plus 2 is 32, plus 8 4 8s are 32 plus 3.5 divided by 8 plus 2 divided by 64 will be 355 point. This can be written as, thus you can say we are adding these numbers. Okay, so this can be written as, so 5 divided by 8 is equal to 0.625 plus 5 divided by 64 is equal to 0.03125. Actually, after decimal, 3 digits are sufficient. So over here, this would be 55 plus, when we will add these numbers, we will get 65625. So the number would be 355.65625. So after decimal we can consider only 3 digits, so the number would be, so after decimal we will consider only 3 digits, so this would be the decimal equivalent of the given octal number. So the answer is 355.656. This is the decimal equivalent of given octal number. So I hope you all have understood. Thank you.